Hello guys. So I think some of the points as we have discussed earlier, I think almost the points are clear. Like first of all, we discussed markup, hypertext, the meaning of these two terms. Then we discussed about nesting of HTML. Then we discussed about editor and how to save HTML file. And today a new topic we are going to discuss, that these few topics which I am discussing from last few days, these all topics are prerequisite of HTML programming. So this is one more point that is you can consider as prerequisite of HTML programming, that is comment. What is comment? Comment in one word you can say it is well known as developer notes. What is developer notes? That is, you can say when you are writing a program, actually in real world, in practical real life world, when you are writing, when you are designing a web page, in that case you may write the program, but the same program can be developed or somebody can modify later by someone else, some other programmer. So in this situation we use comment in programming. So how to write comment in HTML? So the purpose I think clear. It is just explain how or why something was done. This is the purpose specially for any comment in programming like HTML comment. Okay, so there are few types of comment. Few types means basically two types, and within valid type means single line comment and multi-line comment. In single line comment I want to discuss that this is the writing process or syntax of single line comment. I must go through an activity, but before that I just want to discuss the syntax. This is the syntax of single line comment. Be careful about this 3.123, this 3 hyphen and followed by this angular bracket and this exclamation sign, and the closing part is like this. Now we'll discuss this invalid comment concept. This concept we'll discuss later, but now we'll discuss multi-line comment in theoretically. Multi-line comment, for multi-line comment you need to use this 2 hyphen followed by angular bracket and exclamation sign, and after that as many as required you can write the line, number of lines, and finally again you need to close this multi-line comment using this closing angular bracket followed by 2 dash. This is the way to write multi-line comment. So we will go through an activity to know about this comment concept in detail. Okay, so we can use a new file, say HTML close head title need closing slash. Okay, there I must use one title, that is this is testing of HTML comment. Done. Now after head we must see what is the body. Here we'll use for single line comment. This is single line comment. If I write only this and if I save it, if I save this file, this one, I can see this is single line comment here is showing. Now if I change it to comment, this is not yet comment, I am changing it to comment. How? By putting angular bracket, then exclamation sign, and then 3 hyphen. So I can see now the whole color changed to green. That means all portions are commented after this. So if I don't close the comment, it will take everything as a comment after this sign, okay. So here what we will do, here we will close this like this. If we close this thing, this comment like this, then we can change, we can see the change of color. That means this line only commented. Just to understand, I am writing over here hello. Okay, so now as per logic we can see the hello, but we can't see this comment line we have used over here. Okay, so let us check. Save. Yeah, it's working. Hello, but the comment line, due to the comment tag, this comment line is not working. Same as this, if I want to use, I want to show the bug also. So if I am using the same line and I am copying it here, I am writing a beard tag, okay, then I am writing bug below, okay, then again a beard tag. Now okay, here I am making this, just if I overlook somehow and if I make this 3 in place of 3, if I give 2 slash, then I want to see what will happen. Bug below, and the bug, even though I have used this 2 line, but still it is working, because again I must say that HTML5 is one of the developed version, so this is working. But again I'm trying it, I'm checking it with some different type, then I want to check, yes, it's still working good. So due to the development of HTML, we are getting this, but theoretically, if we say theoretically, it is wrong. This in place of 3 we can't write 2, okay. Yeah, good. Now next I want to show multi-line. Line 1, line 2, line 3. After that so if I don't use this in line 3, if I don't use this, then automatically I can see this portion, rest of the portion is green colored. That means it's commented due to this. But if I use this closing of multi-line comment, then it's working properly as per this coding. But I must go through the execution of the code. Yeah, still it's good. So this is multi-line comment. This is the concept of comment. Then okay, if I use this here, we can use, because due to the development of HTML5, some of the facilities we are getting, that different types of comment for multi-line, for single line now obsoleted, and we can use any one type. But theoretically, if you want to see theoretically, then obviously I must say that this is the concept, that valid comment type is this, invalid comment type is this, and the multi-line comment is this. This is 3 category of comment. I think the concept is clear. The note, if you want to get, you will get through the link given in the description box. Obviously you can go to see the, you can see the note obviously. So thank you. Today up to here, I think comment is clear to you. Thank you.